The clients are fun and youthful with 2 young children, and we wanted to turn this home into a home that represents them. The layout was great. We did not have to do any structural changes. We didn't have to move any walls. The bad was that the house really lacked architectural pizzazz. It lacked features. It lacked warmth. So we wanted to introduce those elements. The ugly, in my opinion, was the fireplace. It really was just too small scale for the space, and it just didn't have anything special going on. And I consider the kitchen also to be really dated and dark, so I would put that into the ugly category as well. We kept the base cabinets throughout the kitchen, and we had them sprayed into the blue color. And we also kept the pantry the exact same as it was, and we had it sprayed into a light color. What we did tweak was the island. We wanted to make sure that the island had enough space for 3 counter stools, so we eliminated the wine racks. And also, we eliminated the desk that was in the back corner of the kitchen. We designed a beautiful custom hutch to go into its place. We chose a white oak, which brings in a lighter, brighter wood element. It's a beautiful display area for some of the collected china that the homeowner has, and it really has become the eye candy for the kitchen. The kitchen had the perfect working triangle. The sink was in the right place, the fridge was in the right place, so was the stove, and it had plenty of storage. So we were able to eliminate the upper cabinetry and replace it with open shelving, which repeats the white oak element that we found for the hutch. I find that open shelving is great for everyday dishes. It makes them accessible and easy to use. The original hood was curvy and very traditional of a feel, so we had a custom hood designed. It's very modern and very sleek and had it sprayed black. So instead of a traditional table and chairs, we opted to put the seating by the wall. We designed a custom banquette and put the table and chairs to the side of the kitchen. This allowed for a lovely conversational area on the side of the kitchen and created a perfect path to the patio door. This main floor is open concept. Across from the kitchen and the dining area is the open concept family room. It really does feel like one big space. We wanted to make sure that the areas are connected, not only functionally, but also aesthetically. So to revamp the fireplace was an important design element that we wanted to address. We chose to go with a beautiful marble, and we had a custom mantel designed to make the fireplace the true feature. We wanted to make sure that the TV gets addressed as well. We had our contractor create a drywall recess into the fireplace box to custom fit the television. So this way the television is truly seamless and not a visible focal point. Our client loves molding and coffered ceilings, and the family room was the perfect opportunity. A coffered ceiling creates depth and really elevates the space. So in the process of doing the main floor, we also addressed the patio room, where we did a super fun wallpaper and repeated the blue element with a custom vanity. Our clients lived here for a part of the renovation. It is a difficult process to live through, but at the end of the day, our clients absolutely love this home. They have hosted several parties and the feedback has been tremendous. I've come and visited them several times, and there's always laughter and fun in this home, which means that they're really living a joyful life here.